In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sound effects in Google Slides. By the end, you'll know exactly how to place a sound effect onto a slide so it plays during your presentation. Before we start, make sure the audio file you want to use is saved in your Google Drive. If it's on your computer, upload it to Drive first so you can find it easily in a moment. Open your web browser and go to Google Slides. If you're asked to sign in, go ahead and do that. On the home page, create a new file by choosing the blank presentation. This gives you a clean canvas to work with and avoids any layout conflicts from existing templates. Now look to the top left of the screen and open the Insert menu. From that drop-down, choose Audio. This opens a file picker that connects directly to your Google Drive and lets you place an audio clip on the current slide. In the file picker, use the Search in Drive bar to find your sound effect. Type in the file name or a keyword, and you can also switch between areas like My Drive, Shared with Me, or Recent if needed. Popular audio formats like MP3 or WAV work well here. If you have several options, pick the one that fits the moment you're designing, whether it's a click, a whoosh, or a short chime. Click to select your sound effects file, then click Insert. Google Slides adds a small speaker icon onto your slide, confirming the audio has been placed. You can drag this icon to position it where you like and resize it to make it more discreet or more visible. During your presentation, clicking this icon will play the sound. If you want more control, select the audio icon to reveal the Format Options panel on the right. Under Audio Playback, you can decide whether the sound starts on click or automatically when the slide appears, adjust the volume, and choose whether it stops when you move to the next slide. These settings aren't required, but they can help your timing feel polished and consistent. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Give your audio files clear names in Drive so they're easy to search. Keep sound effects short and purposeful to avoid distracting your audience. And test your slide in present mode to confirm levels and timing. If you're sharing the deck, make sure collaborators have access to the audio file in Drive so it plays for them too. That's it. You opened a blank presentation, went to Insert, chose Audio, searched your Drive, selected your sound effect, and clicked Insert. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.